Alright, it's about 8 o'clock. I bought an onion. I had to add it in there. And here's the end result. Yummy. Cheesy. Oh, it's going to taste so good. Look at those onions. Gotta say my grace first. This cheesy goodness. Oh man. Yeah, spicy Alfredo, fettuccine with broccoli and chicken, onions, mushrooms, and Munster cheese. Look at that. Oh man, that's goodness. So good. One day I'm gonna get a plate and plate this all up. With the garlic, a little bite size of chicken. I get some onion. Oh, my mayonnaise here. Have some. Oh, look at that. Cheesy goodness. Oh, my fork broke. Where are your new fork? Anyway, so like 11 o'clock at night. So I'm gonna head on out, finish this food, and I hope y'all have a blessed night. And I'll see you guys again very soon. Gotta get a new fork. Nighty night.